Alright, welcome to my house. Today I'm going to be doing something for the wife. I installed these handles here a while ago, a couple weeks ago. They went really well, really solid. Got one on both sides there. And now I've got a fold-up seat that I'm going to be putting on the wall because this thing is just in the way. So I'm going to get the holes marked, get them drilled. And my anchors I got are these. They work really well. Now I'm going to put some silicone around them before I put them in the hole. That way it plugs the hole up a little bit too. Watertight kind of thing. So hopefully this works out and we'll get these holes marked and we'll go from there. I got this off of Amazon, by the way. Can't remember how much it was, but looks like I need to go down one more row of tape. One more row of tape. We'll go two just to make sure. Tighten that up a little bit so it doesn't move too much. What do you think about right there? Yeah, it looks about right there. Forgot I can't do that. There we go. Got the holes marked. Now we do some drilling. Maybe we'll get my vacuum cleaner before I start drilling, I guess. Clean up the mess while I go. I swear. Looks like I got a grout line to deal with. You know, I'll go get my other smaller drill bit. I'm gonna get my other drill bit. Alright. This drill bit I got from Menards. It's the same brand as this, New England Carbide. I think I foobarred it. I cut it up or dulled it or something. But instead of trying that, I got this one out of an Amazon 1-inch hole saw that goes through tile. And I also got this multi-Bosch from Menards. But this is an Amazon drill bit, so we're going to try that first. Because it worked really well on the handles. This drill bit works really well though. See how much faster that was than this big one? I'll follow up with the big one, but this will do for now. So much faster than the other one. You can see where the drywall is. Yowza, that's hot. I think I found studs. I wasn't supposed to do that. Gosh darn it, I never even thought of studs. So now I think I'm going to have to go get me some more screws. Because I don't know if these screws are going to fit now. They'll probably be too small. Yep. Well, let's try something here, I guess. I think we might be okay. Except for that one. Who would have thought I would have gotten 2 studs? That's just crazy. Guess I'm going to get them bolts. That sucks. That really sucks. I never thought I'd hit freaking studs, man. Guess I'm going to Menards. So I'll be back. Alright, I'm back from Menards. Got some zinc plated screws here. That ain't gonna work. I think what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to go get me a dowel and put in that one. Because these other ones are working. So that's my next plan. I'll be right back. Alrighty. Got me a dowel. Hopefully that'll fit in there. Looks like it will. No point in getting messy, right? I did forget my paper towel though. Got to have a little wood glue in there. Should I let that dry or do I go ahead and drill it? Probably should let it dry, huh? But we can put the other ones in, huh? Let's see if we can't get these other ones in. And I brought work smarter, not harder kind of thing. So, let's get this chair in here. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to let that glue dry. Alrighty. Uno more, but I might have to drill this one out again because it don't want to line up at all. It doesn't want to line up at all. Let's get this drill bit out here. Now we got that started. We'll take these off. I need to put a dowel in that sumbitch too, don't I? Don't I? I think I do. I know I do. Alright, let's get this hole drilled out a little better. Here we go. Hopefully that'll be okay. Hopefully that'll be okay. Alright. I need to go get me another dowel for this one. A couple more inches long. I'll be right back. And we're back. Another dowel. Alright, we're good now. I think we're good now. Let's see if we can get this screw started. I think I made it too long. There we go. I think we're set now. All set now. Let's try that, shall we? Let's try that. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Don't need that. Don't need that. I don't need that. I might need that. Let's see if we can get this thing working. Come on, man. Gotta fill them suckers up, huh? Alrighty. Give that a shot, shall we? Truth or dare. Do or dare. Do or die or dare. Do it or lose it, right? Use it or lose it. And I've lost mine a long time ago, unfortunately. Unfortunately, we don't want to start with that one, do we? This one might be a little better. Should probably start with this one, huh? Can't see the damn head. Alright, that thing is solid. Holes are sealed up. Enough about water getting in them. Hopefully the wife will like this now. Let me get this thing on there just in case. They all tight. They all tight. Think we're good. Good as rain. Dry as rain. It's not straight, that's for sure. It's flat against the floor. I guess that's what counts, right? It's going to work. Alright. I think we're going to be good. And now we'll get up out of the way. For me, when I take a shower. So there we have it. It's definitely not straight, according to the tile, but it sits flat on the floor, which is the main purpose of it, I guess. I'll go get my level and see how far off we are, but I do believe we're off a little bit. So, anyway, that's it for that. Holds me. It holds me. Gonna work out pretty good, I think. I got it from Amazon. It wasn't too awful expensive, but they don't give you any instructions on what size drill bit to use. It just says use a drill to create holes. It gives you 4 dowels, 4 screws. I didn't use any of those stuff that they brought with because I accidentally, on purpose, found studs. Anyway, this is the instructions it gives you. They're pretty vague, pretty generic, no sizes on anything. And I use a 1/4 inch drill to drill the holes. If I had to do it over again, I'd use an 1/8 inch drill for the screws that they supply. Because once I went 1/4 inch, they were too big. It was too big of a hole. And I obviously had to put in some dowels to make up the space. I went to Menards and bought some 1/4 inch bolts. I actually bought some lag bolts in case I needed those. But this is what I actually wound up using. Number 14 sheet metal screws, 2.5 inch. And 1/4 inch, or yeah, 1/4 inch flat washers. So I didn't need these. I got 5/16 and 1/4 inch, just in case I needed to go up a size. Because 1/4 inch obviously didn't work, but the dowel idea worked, so I'm good there. So anyway, number 14, 2.5 inch. They measure out to about 1/4 inch, not quite. So use an 1/8 inch drill if you drill these out yourself again. If anybody uses this type of thing, do not use a 1/4 inch drill. If I had to do over again, I'd drill through the tile, maybe 1/4 inch, because that's what I had. And then finish it with an 1/8 inch for the screws. But don't use a 1/4 inch to drill out the screws. Anyway, that's done. So that project's done and over with. I've got a lot more room in the shower now. And that'll be good. We got 2 heads It's a nice big shower, but if she wants another seat in the other shower, I will have to put that in, and I know how to do it now, so it'll go much easier, much quicker, much better. But I think she'll like this, I really do. It'll definitely help her out and help me out too by getting rid of this other one that's in there. So anyway, that'll do it for this video. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and most of all, stay grape. And I'll talk to you later.